Abby, the social media manager here at SBBlooms.
And I'm Emily, the social media coordinator.
Today we're going to show you a split Bianca grounded arch. These grounded arches are definitely having a moment and are trending right now. They're so easy to recreate, so that's what we're going to show you how to do today.
The products you'll need to recreate this is 3 Bianca Grand Centerpieces, 2 Bianca Garland, 2 Bianca small centerpieces, and 14 Real Touch white roses that are available in our loose stem collection. So yeah, we really love how everything turned out and we can't wait for you to see.
And no tools are needed for this, all just SBBlooms products. So now let's get into it. As you can see, this was super easy to do. Anyone can do it and recreate it at home.
If you like this video and want to see more, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
All right, see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.